Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the airport.
Good morning.
May I see your passport and flight ticket, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check them.
Of course.
Which airline are you flying with today?
I'm flying with American Airlines.
And what is your destination?
I'm traveling to UK.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Your documents are valid.
Great, thank you.
Please proceed to the check-in counter inside the terminal.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Which airline are you flying with today?
Good morning. I'm flying with American Airlines.
Great. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you are.
Please give me a moment while I check your booking.
No problem. I found your reservation. Is this your first time flying? Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Could you place your suitcase on the baggage scale?
Of course.
Your suitcase weighs 22 kilograms. That is completely fine.
That sounds good to hear.
Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, I have this Canaan bag. It's the same color as my luggage.
Please place it on the scale as well.
Sure.
It weighs 6 kilograms, so it's also within the limit.
Perfect.
Has anyone asked you to carry anything for them?
No, nobody has.
Have your bags been with you at all times?
Yes, they have.
Are you carrying any flammable liquids or sharp objects?
No, I'm not carrying anything dangerous.
You carrying any power banks?
Yes, I have one power bank.
Please keep it in your carry-on bag.
Okay, thank you for letting me know.
Are you carrying any liquids over 100 milliliters?
No, I only have small, travel-sized bottles.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Let me check the availability.
Sure.
Good news. A window seat is available.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your boarding pass.
Thanks.
Your boarding gate is A12, and boarding starts at 9 a.m.
What time should I be at the gate?
Please arrive at least 45 minutes before departure.
Okay, I'll be there on time.
Now go to the security check.
Okay.
If you need any help our airport, staff will to assist you.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to the security checkpoint.
Good morning.
May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I verify your documents.
Sure, take your time.
Thank you for waiting. Everything looks good. Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I'm traveling alone.
Is this your first international flight?
Yes, it is. I'm a little excited and a bit nervous.
That's completely normal. Don't worry. I'll explain each step.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You're welcome. First, please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt. Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. First, please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt.
Okay.